MyFICO Honest Review. Watch before using. MyFICO is a credit monitoring service created by FICO, the company that developed the widely used FICO credit score. This platform is designed for individuals who want to stay on top of their credit health with real-time updates and access to their official FICO scores from all three major credit bureaus: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. One of the standout features is its comprehensive credit report monitoring, which alerts you to any significant changes, such as new accounts or inquiries, helping you catch potential identity theft early. MyFICO also offers tools like score simulators that show how specific financial actions, such as paying down debt or opening new credit, can impact your credit score. This service is ideal for anyone looking to make major financial decisions, such as applying for a mortgage, auto loan, or even a credit card. Since FICO scores are used in 90% of lending decisions, having accurate and real-time access to your score gives you a clearer picture of where you stand with potential lenders. MyFICO also provides a detailed breakdown of the factors influencing your score, such as payment history, credit utilization, and length of credit history, so you can take informed steps to improve it. However, it's worth noting that MyFICO is one of the more expensive credit monitoring services out there, with monthly plans ranging from $19.95 to $39.95, depending on the level of service you choose. While it offers a lot of value, some users may find the cost prohibitive, especially when there are free alternatives available that provide similar features, albeit without official FICO scores. In conclusion, MyFICO is a premium service best suited for those who need regular, accurate access to their FICO scores and comprehensive credit monitoring. If you're preparing for a major financial decision or just want to keep your credit in check, MyFICO offers powerful tools, but the high price tag may not be worth it for casual users. Make sure you weigh the cost against your actual credit monitoring needs before signing up.